Build a simple inspirational quotes app with button and label widgets in PowerShell GUI. Hi, today I'll show you how to build a tiny GUI app that displays inspirational quotes using a button and a label. One click on Inspire Me and the label shows a random quote. Let's build it. We load libraries first so we can access the GUI components. First we create the main window, the form. This is the container for our widgets. Next, we define a list or array of quotes. You can replace these with your own text. The app will pick one at random when the button is clicked. Create a label to display the quote. Set the location of the label, adjust as needed. Set the size of the label, adjust as needed. Don't forget to add the label to the screen. Now create the button widget. Set its text to Inspire Me and position the button below the label, adjust as needed. This is a very important step. Add a click functionality that sets label text to a random item from quotes collection. That's all the logic we need. Add the button to the screen, then call Show Dialog to display the window. Run the code in the terminal. Click Inspire Me to cycle quotes. That's it, a simple quotes app using button and label widgets. Try customizing the quotes and layout. Thanks for watching. See you next time.